Nikon DSLR and mirrorless camera manual white balance setting step by step 2022. The custom white balance setting allows you to use the custom white balance to take photos or videos with more realistic colors directly from the camera, which can greatly reduce the degree of color distortion in photos and unnecessary post-production time, trouble and frustration. We demonstrate with a Nikon DSLR camera and a Nikon mirrorless camera. However, for different Nikon camera models, the positions of the operating buttons and the actions of the operating procedures often vary. Please refer to your Nikon camera manual for the exact steps. Nikon camera's custom white balance has two ways of use photo or measure. A use photo mode. Take the camera to target the white balance zone and cover the lens with the white balance filter. Then, press the shutter to take a color correction photo. Enter the setting menu, find the color balance submenu to enter, select use photo. Find and select the color correction photo that was just taken, the last one, and press the OK button twice in succession to complete the custom white balance lock settings. Its decomposition action is as follows. 1. First, change the focus method of the lens to manual focus. 2. Point the camera lens at the Reynolds full color spectrum and fill the screen with the full color spectrum image, as shown in this picture. And then cover the lens with the white balance magic filter DCC40 and press the shutter to shoot a color correction photo. 3. Enter settings menu. In the menu, find white balance to enter. 4. Select use photo. Find and select the color correction photo just taken, the last one, and press OK. 5. Press the OK button again to complete the setting and return to shooting mode. This is followed by a short action video demonstrating the above use photo method. B. Measure method. Measure is another way to customize the white balance setting. For example, on this mirrorless camera, first enter the menu, find white balance and enter. Lock the target white balance zone, cover the lens with the white balance filter. Press the shutter button or the OK button, and the lock setting of the custom white balance is completed. We recommend this method. Its decomposition action is as follows. 1. Enter the menu. Find white balance and press right arrow to enter. 2. Select preset manual and press right arrow to enter. 3. Measure a new value for preset manual white balance. Appears on the screen. Select yes and enter. 4. Photograph a white or gray object, composing the shot so that it fills the frame. Will appear, select yes to enter. 5. Point the camera lens at the full color spectrum and fill the screen with the full color spectrum image, as shown in this picture. Then put the white balance magic filter DCC40 cover on the front of the lens and press the shutter. 6. White balance measured successfully. Will appear on the screen and return to shooting mode. This is followed by a short action video demonstrating the above measure method. After the above two manual white balance locking methods have finished the last confirmation button, you can start taking pictures under the manual white balance operation. No matter what camera you use, please use only standard or natural photo styles to avoid unwanted color distortion. When your camera uses Directivity White Balance Magic Filter DCC40 inches and Reynolds Full Color Spectrum to perform the manual white balance lock, if the camera exposure is correct, the captured image can be said to be a live color standard. If it is found that the photos taken have too high contrast or too bright or too rich colors, these are also the phenomenon of color distortion, and the photos and videos are not aesthetically pleasing to look at. Please make appropriate adjustments in the relevant color settings of the camera body by yourself. Reynolds Full Color Spectrum is designed to simulate the comprehensive color of the Earth. When the comprehensive color of the Earth is mixed with the ambient light in the photographic scene, the white balance magic filter is used to point the light to provide the most accurate scene environment color data to the photosensitive element. Under the setting of custom white balance, the white value of the camera's color system is accurately zeroed. When the white value of the camera is accurately zeroed, every pixel color in the captured photo can be accurately recorded and displayed. In other words, you can instantly take a photo and video with true and near perfect colors that match the scene at the time. Such photos are not only true to color, but also noticeably clearer with better three-dimensionality of individual object shapes and textured details on object surfaces. Your camera or iPhone becomes your invaluable high-tech live visual image copier. No more photo color cast problems. Gorgeous, joyful, proud and warm moments in life will always exist and accompany you all your life. After using the DCC40 to complete the manual white balance setting, you can use the set camera to take countless beautiful photos or videos with true and near perfect colors within 1 hour of the nearby 10 km range. Why do we describe the effect of a color true photo as clearer instead of sharper? Because sharpness in the camera can be adjusted arbitrarily before and after taking pictures. It is an unnatural picture quality phenomenon. In the human visual world, the clarity of the details of the content we see depends on the distance and ambient light brightness. When a photo has a color cast, the entire photo will be covered with a layer of color film, which hinders your vision and makes it impossible to see the full details of the photo content. When this layer of colored film is removed and disappeared in a photo without color cast, the details of the photo can be seen clearer, naturally, rather than the sharpness of the unnatural phenomenon. In other words, two photos with the same content at the same sharpness level, the photo without color cast can be seen more clearly. Do we make sense for you?